Hey, I'm Sanvi from Polka Dots. Today we will be solving 2 by 2 cube. In this we have 2 layers. This is layer 1 and layer 2. Right hand side and left hand side. Upper face and bottom face. In all the cubes, the color combinations are same. White opposite is yellow, orange opposite is red, blue opposite is green. To solve any cube, we need algorithms, and the basic moves are clockwise, and are anti-clockwise. Right clockwise and right anti-clockwise. Left clockwise, left anti-clockwise. Down clockwise, down anti-clockwise. Up clockwise, up anti-clockwise. This is front and back. Front clockwise, front anti-clockwise. Back clockwise, back anti-clockwise. Now let's shuffle. It's all shuffled. Now let's move on to the steps. First, we'll solve the upper face and get all the whites. To get all the whites, first find 3 whites. That's easy. So let's find 3 whites. We found 3 whites. Now to get all the whites on the upper face, we will use the algorithm. Now we will find our 4th white. Now to find the 4th white, either the white should be on these 3 corners or these 3 corners. But in this corner, so let's shift it to that corner. Now after that, this is the algorithm you have to follow. R0, D0, R, D. R anti-clockwise, down anti-clockwise, R clockwise, down clockwise. Till you get, repeat the step. So we got all whites. Now we will be solving the first layer. This is the formula I used for getting all the whites on the upper face. Now this formula we will be using for getting all same colors on the layer 1. R0, D0, R, L0, D, L, R0, D0, R. Before using the algorithm, just see if you have any color already matched. Here we have blue matched. So take the opposite side of the blue. take the opposite side and start doing the algorithm. Are anti-clockwise, down anti-clockwise, right clockwise, left anti-clockwise, down clockwise, left clockwise, right anti-clockwise, down anti-clockwise, right clockwise. Now we finished the first layer. See if you can match any color. So this is the formula I used for solving the first layer. We solved the first layer, we've solved the upper face. Now we will be solving the bottom face, which is yellow. A white opposite is yellow, so we will be solving the yellow face, bottom face. Now see if you can match any color. You can't match any color. Sometimes you might match any color. At that time, suppose this is the matched color, then take the opposite and start doing the algorithm. R, U, R naught, U, R, U 2 times, R naught. In this case, the yellows are not side by side. So keep yellow in your left hand side and follow the algorithm. Other cases, sometimes you get yellows side by side. At that time, keep the yellows on your right hand side and follow the algorithm. Right clockwise, up clockwise, right anti-clockwise, up clockwise, right clockwise, up clockwise 2 times, right anti-clockwise. If you don't get yellow at once, keep repeating the step. This is the formula I used for solving the upper face. We finished upper face. Now let's solve the layer 2. For solving the layer 2, use this algorithm. R naught, F, R naught, B naught 2 times, R, F naught, R, B naught 2 times, R 2 times, B naught 2 times. Right anti-clockwise, front clockwise, right anti-clockwise, back. Now it's back anti-clockwise 2 times, right clockwise, front anti-clockwise, right clockwise, back anti-clockwise 2 times, right clockwise 2 times, right clockwise 2 times, back anti-clockwise 2 times. If you don't get any, repeat this step. Sometimes you can match something. If you can match something, suppose I matched green side. Now take the opposite side and start following the same algorithm. R anti-clockwise, front clockwise, right anti-clockwise, back anti-clockwise 2 times, right clockwise, front anti-clockwise, right clockwise, back anti-clockwise 2 times, right clockwise 2 times and back anti-clockwise 2 times. Match the sides. We finished solving 2 by 2 cube. This is the formula I use for the layer 2. So practice and comment, and also subscribe and ring the bell for 3 by 3 cube solution video and more cube videos. My next video is solving 3 by 3 cube.